Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check computer history Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to check computer history Windows 11 from Event Viewer. To start, right-click on Start and select Event Viewer. After that, go to the Windows Logs section and then click on Security. Wait for all events to be loaded. Now click on Filter Current Log. Here, in the Event Sources field, enter 4624. Click on OK. Then wait to see if any events are logged to that number. Chapter 2. How to check computer history Windows 11 from Run. To get started, right-click on Start and choose Run. In the window, enter the command shell:recent. Click on OK. As a result, you can see everything you have done on your PC. Chapter 3. How to check computer history Windows 11 from Registry Editor. To start, enter Regedit in the search box. Click on Registry Editor and then click Yes to access the editor. After that, you will go to the path you see on the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, right-click on the system key and select New and click on toward 32-bit value. You are going to assign the name display last logon info. After this, double-click on this new value and assign the value 1. Click on OK. To complete the process, restart the system. Before you sign in, you can see an informational message about that user's sign-ins. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.